With a lot of marigold flowers are there. It's
Marigold flowers.
blooming as yet.
Precisely.
Precisely.
Don't make your height up lift.
No, no.
And it don't intoxicate.
Intoxicates you.
Intoxicate.
Just give you the energy you need.
Okay.
And you have some sweet pepper.
Okay.
Also, scotch bonnet.
Scotch bonnet again.
It's fully alkaline, white house. More time I blend it green with the skin, everything, no cooking.
Yes, the viewers, stick and stay. See the man, yeah?
Mango series now. The nice number 11.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Me say me viewers, I want to tell you one like a secret about me can't talk too loud, so I have to come near to the phone to tell you what they go on. You know, so me just look about some tea a while ago. Let me say tea, some ram goat dash along and some Spanish needle, like 3 leaf each of all those plants, 3 mango leaf, yeah? I drink me tea. As you can see me cup, and me tea me I drink and I brother the pass. And me hearing say, yo, mango up a yard, you know, man. Holy papa, you stop there now, man. They can't get. Me don't want no more tea. Tea done. So stick and stay to see what's coming next. Alright? Yes, the viewers, stick and stay. See the man, yeah?
Yes, viewers, it's another episode.
Yeah.
It's a mango series now. The nice number 11. So wonderful. People coming from all angles just to have a few of the mangoes. You know, so my
Engineer here now.
My engineer is now preparing to come and shoot and have a few of the mango, you know. So my viewers, you can all be with us.
All right.
Nice to have you again.
And my viewers, this is the man that make the broad and long roots tonic.
Yes, I'm now preparing a piece of chunk here. Piece of chunk, and call it wood, but piece of chunk.
Yes.
Just so we set on the broad and long.
All right. He's gonna boil some roots now. Seeing.
Yes, so I'm moving to the location.
All right. All right, my viewers, we're gonna be on the location, so stick and stay to see what's coming next. All right. Precisely. Tea done now, you know. No more tea, you know. Just a little bit more soak. No, sir. Mango tree, they do it. Yes, my viewers. Oh, yo. Yo, a mango number 11, you know. A number 11, no, number 12, this number 11. See them? I said, yo, can't wait, you know. My favorite mango this, alright? Stick and stay. So you don't know, it's all about on the rooftop, you know. But stay up on the rooftop.
Yeah, I'm just eating out to my viewers for engineer, yeah.
Yeah.
Engineer.
Yeah.
Number 11.
And
you know, it's a very good nutritious fruit. And the leaf also give you one of the best detoxification.
All right.
You can ever have.
Yeah, man, the team just don't drink, man.
Purify your body, my viewers. You know, everybody would like you to subscribe to this and have some of the nice mango leaf tea every time. Because if I can lick another one.
Because, man, I mean, man, yes, my viewers. No matter how much of this. Oh, one drop, I'm going to look for it, my viewers. One drop. One drop, my viewers. All of you good. Yes, my viewers. Nice, my viewers. But man, go all upon. What? What is going on here? Green, that one is green. Yo, this one is ripe. Wow, Jesus God, my viewers. And then something I love seeing now, you know, my viewers. Yes, it doesn't matter how much of these things you eat, you know, it don't intest. What you call the word? Give me the word again.
It not make you intoxicate.
Okay.
Or lift your height up. No way.
All right.
Energize your body. Give you the energy you need.
You hear that, my viewers?
Energy you need.
Precisely. Yes, my viewers. That is the man with the broad all along, you know. Yo, we need one of them trees in my yard, my viewers. M&G, what's going on? You notice what's going on? Yo, yard food, what's going on? Yeah.
Rooftop.
Yes, man.
Rooftop.
Yeah, man.
The mango. It's a blessed moment, viewers. We're having fun. We're having great fun.
What do you mean, man?
Overwhelmed. We are overwhelmed.
My God.
Having fun. I'm stepping off and now.
That is the man with the broad and long, and he make the broad and long, my viewers. Whoa. My God. My God. Mister?
You get the money, enough, man.
Yeah. Come here, always see him with mango, you know.
Yeah, man, and Papa and get enough.
Oh my God, watch over here, some man. Watch up here, some of viewers. Oh my God. Mango for days.
We also set some seedling here. I can't have a seedling.
Mango seed?
No,
Oh. What's going on, my viewers? Mango for days. Alright, the boss set some seed in my viewers. Some seedlings are here.
seedling.
Yeah. So
Some are germinating while some aren't. You know, so after
mango
from
seed
the
time.
hard rain, I have to remove the sheet, the cover.
Oh. As you can see, my viewers, you notice it did cover with the white plastic here. Yes.
There are some Scotch bonnet pepper.
Oh, Scotch bonnet.
Scotch bonnet. And you have some sweet pepper.
Okay.
Also, Scotch bonnet.
Scotch bonnet
So
again.
these were so first. Yeah, these two so first.
Yeah.
So the others are mildly just stepping out a little bit.
What do you mean, man?
Some days after, about 7 days now.
Yeah.
Take 3 to 7 days. Pepper plant take a longer. Pop chow, callaloo, and cabbage, they grow very quick.
Yeah.
3 days to 4 they grow.
Okay.
But pepper is have a thicker layer, so it take a longer while
Yeah.
before it germinates. So as you can see, our viewers, germination are going on.
Yeah, man,
Pepper,
for real.
Scotch bonnet, very good.
So that is the reason why some people soak the seed in water before overnight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
To get it. It germinates quicker.
Germinate quicker, precisely.
Yes. Precisely.
Precisely.
Yes, right.
We are multi-skilled. We all forget because farming
Yeah.
is the key.
I don't even-
Education is the key to success. Farming is the key.
For real.
Food. So we have to just do what we have to do.
Yes, man. A man's got to do what the man's got to do. You know what I mean?
We have to do, yeah. We have some more to set. So as
Yeah.
soon as, come on board.
Yeah, so.
And also a banana, people who know the White House banana.
Okay, yeah.
Some people that
Yeah.
good it have some hands on it down there.
I can see if I can zoom it in.
You can go around.
I can go around and go look. Yes, my viewers. Go look on this banana here. The White House banana, my viewers. Yeah. Oh.
Fully
Yes.
alkaline.
Yes, my
Yes,
viewers.
it's fully alkaline of viewers. Fully alkaline White House. More time I blend it green with the skin, everything, no cooking.
All right.
And blend it with all the nutritious things, ingredients, and just serve.
You got some, man. Yeah, that
And
my
it's
viewers.
fun.
Powerful.
Powerful.
Yeah.
Fully alkaline.
Yeah.
White House.
The White House banana. My God. Yeah, man, I guess this is the real banana, you know. This is a natural banana. Yeah, so all the banana come from this banana here. Yeah, man. Yeah, my viewers, you heard it on Jamaican farmers out here. Yeah, man. For real, man, but trust me, the mango tree. Tell you, man. Oh, my God. Tell you, man. I find two little ones, so I'm going to pick them up. Eh? Oh. You go, so, man. Callaloo, my viewers. This is the callaloo farm, you know. This farm always having callaloo, you know. This is the callaloo, man, you know, the broad and long, man. Yes. What do you mean, man? Yes, my viewers. Stick and stay. See what's coming next into the callaloo farm here. Yeah, man. This is the callaloo, one lovely okra tree here.
Yeah, lovely okra. I'm doing some weeding this morning. I'm doing some weeding, you know.
Yes, I.
Some nice weed. It never plant.
Right.
Never planned. But after a customer visited me, and I said, through the time was so dry, I leave the grass inside just to keep the moisture and keep it cool.
Okay.
Now it's been raining, so I start the weeding.
Shit.
And also
Callaloo.
have a new piece of callaloo.
Alright, this is a new piece here.
Yeah.
This is a new field.
Just beginning to cut.
My God, this new field look nice, man.
And
Yes, my
also
viewers.
I have a planter. I can demonstrate. This is my planter.
Oh.
This is the planter.
Oh.
So instead of using machete, this is my planter like a digger.
Yeah.
So I identify our area, our viewers, and a dog.
Whoa.
Dog. We love dog. So we dog.
So where you buy that planter?
No. No, it was a skating for jolly riding business.
Yeah.
And I find it on the street. I take it to my welder and say, Bill,
Yes, man. So who is a welder?
preacher.
All right, sir.
And you also.
All right, sir. All right, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Nice planter,
Nice
man.
planter. Good old demonstrate another one.
So wait, so you have one for sucker, man?
Yeah, a lot of seedlings.
Alright.
We call it seedlings.
We need twice sucker there.
Yes, man, seedlings.
Go plant.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Yes, my viewers.
So instead you use the machete, this is well prepared.
Yeah. You just sink and store and put it in. Yeah, man, I have to go make one too.
So another one. Just
Yeah.
a big trouble.
You go so, man. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, a lot of seedlings. Yeah, a lot of sucker is here, you know what I mean?
You can have some engineer.
Yes, man.
Can have
Yes,
some,
man. Yes,
The
man.
land is well fertile, known for my fertility.
As we can
I
see,
also have marigold flowers.
this is the 30.
I use these flowers, our viewers, to run the bats them.
Oh,
Because where these marigold flowers, now if you know what a lot of marigold flowers are there, it's
marigold flowers.
blooming as yet.
Yeah.
Very, yeah. The bottom don't like the sensation of it.
Oh.
So I use it within my vineyard.
Marigold.
And run marigold.
Okay.
Run the bats them.
Okay.
And they will breed the worm.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
To inoculate the farm. So
I
I use them,
understand.
if you look right through
Yeah.
the yard, to the farm.
Right through the farm. Marigold.
Marigold flower.
Yeah, man. You run with the back
It's
them, you know.
also good to drink.
Yeah, man. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, our viewers. Nice to have you on the program once more.
You go so,
It's a
man.
blessed moment. Blessed to the Most High. And without Him,
All the time.
all things are possible.
True.
Only believe.
True.
And that's what we do.
Celestia, I know.
Blessed. Come
What
on
you
now.
mean, man? Blessed love, my viewers. Yes, my viewers, we have some nice callaloo here. And as you can see, there's not a lot of worm, you know what I mean? As what he said, he'd have the marigold. That's what it name?
Yeah, marigold.
Marigold flowers, you know. The bugs them don't like that, you know. And the bats them don't like that. And the bats them carrying all the worms and so forth. And the plants. Beautiful, my viewers. Yeah, this is the type of callaloo me love, you know, with 1 and 2 little holes. You know, you don't have no chemical.
Yeah.
All right. Yes, my viewers, no chemical is on them. You know what I mean? Look at this one here. Whoa. I say this area nice. We need a little area like this to background. May I try it, but you know, me not reach there yet, my people. Yes. For real. Trust me. Oh, my God. You look nice, man.
What a sensation.
Yeah, man. You look nice, man. Precisely.
Precisely.
Yes, my viewers.
Yes, viewers.
We're there upon the farm.
Moment.
Yeah, man. Jamaican farmers, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell and let me eat all the mangoes, all right? Scene. Yeah, man. We love that.
Blessed love.
Yeah, man.
Yes, Mr. Force, it's our energy.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Real, my viewers. So this is the marigold flowers. It grows some. What the blossom them? How color blossom again?
Yeah, the purple one, orange looking one.
Orange color.
Orange color like this.
Yes, the orange color looking blossom.
This is
The sorosy seed.
sorosy seed. So
You can eat it, you know?
we eat it, you know.
Yeah, it has health benefit
And
also.
it also energize the body more.
Yeah, man.
So these things,
Keep
when we were
you
kids,
fit.
we used to use it.
Yeah, keep you fit and strong.
Fit and strong also.
Don't make your height up lift.
No.
And it don't intoxicate.
Intoxicates you.
Intoxicate.
Just give you the energy you need.
I can't
The
call
energy
the
you
word.
need.
Yes, maybe it was. The sorosy. That is the sorosy seed. Those are the green thing that grow on the sorosy branches. Sprout. Vine. Yeah, grow on it. Let me show you a green one here. Yeah. The 2 green one here. And after it ripe, you can pick it and eat the seed. Yeah, look here. Yeah, man. Beautiful.
After it ripe.
Beautiful.
That's
That
how
is
it
the sorosy seed.
Yeah.
When it's ripe. You know? Yeah, man.
So we don't let it to waste.
All right. We heat it.
Have to use it up.
Yeah, man. You see it on Jamaican farmers hut. Yeah?
have to use it up.
Yeah, man.
Farmers out.
It's all about natural is the mystic. The mystic is natural. I want to climb the tree, see me people. I want to go out, but no worry myself. Soon go out there. Yeah, man. The sorrows seed, me people. Alright, my viewers, stick and stay. You don't know it's all about mango time. So, I'm find two little mango, so I'm going to accumulate them up. Seeing? Yeah? And nice up myself. So, me talk to the item later. So, peace. Slick is my name, and I'm out.